So there's a very different shift in this new world of big AI. But the point about big AI is that we're into a new era in artificial intelligence where it's data-driven and compute-driven and large machine learning systems. So why did we get excited back in June 2020? Well, remember, what GPT-3 was intended to do, what it's trained to do, is that prompt completion task. And it's been trained on everything on the World Wide Web. So you can give it a prompt like a one-paragraph summary of the life and achievements of Winston Churchill, and it's read enough one-paragraph summaries of the life and achievements of Winston Churchill that it will come back with a very plausible one. Yeah, and it's extremely good at generating realistic-sounding text in that way. But this is why we got surprised in AI. This is from a common sense reasoning task that was devised for artificial intelligence in the 1990s. And until 3 years ago, until June 2020, there was no AI system that existed in the world that you could apply this test to. It was just literally impossible. There was nothing there. And that changed overnight. Okay? So what does this test look like? Well, the test is a bunch of questions, and they are questions not for mathematical reasoning or logical reasoning or problems in physics. They're common sense reasoning tasks. And if we ever have AI that delivers at scale on really large systems, then it surely would be able to tackle problems like this. So what will the questions look like? The human asks the question, if Tom is 3 inches taller than Dick, and Dick is 2 inches taller than Harry, then how much taller is Tom than Harry? The ones in green are the ones it gets right, the ones in red are the ones it gets wrong. And it gets that one right, 5 inches taller than Harry. But we didn't train it to be able to answer that question, so where on earth did that come from? Where did that capability, that simple capability to be able to do that, where did it come from? The next question, can Tom be taller than himself? This is understanding of the concept of taller than, that the concept of taller than is irreflexive. You can't be taller, a thing cannot be taller than itself. Now, again, it gets the answer right, but we didn't train it on that. That's not, we didn't train the system to be good at answering questions about what taller than means. And by the way, 20 years ago, that's exactly what people did in AI, right? So where did that capability come from? Can a sister be taller than her brother? Yes, a system can be taller than a brother.